The fuel tank cap connector is a lanyard that holds the cap to the tank assembly when it has been removed for fueling. The plastic connector snaps into a fastener on the cap and fits inside the fuel tank neck. Over time, the connector will weaken and eventually break. Replacing the fuel tank cap connector is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the fuel cap from the fuel tank. With the cap removed, now I can remove what's left of the connector. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to pull it away from the cap. The other half of your connector will be in the fuel tank. You can use a piece of wire bent into a hook to fish it out of the tank. Now I can install the new connector. I'll insert the ball end of the connector into the fastener on the cap. And now I can reinstall the fuel cap. And that's how simple it is to replace the fuel tank cap connector on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.